Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with an updo style that I did on myself, and we're going to start with brushing our hair. What you're going to need are 4 hair ties, so I have them prepped on my wrist, and we're going to section off first in the middle and then the top section of the hair. Try to make 4 more or less same sections. Now is the left top. Take one of the hair ties that are prepared and tie a ponytail. Can be tight, first one. Then do the same on your right hand side. Section off again the top layer from the hair, the second half of the crown hair. Take another hair tie and do the second ponytail. The same thing we are going to do now with the hair from the bottom. I just clipped the 2 ponytails from the top away. So take the section left down, try to incorporate all the hair. I missed a strand, but it's okay, I just take it later, into the right hand side ponytail. Have them tight. There goes the strand I missed, or not. And then just make in total 4 ponytails. Here you go. There's no need to have that very neat. You are going to braid now all the 4 ponytails. I'm doing the Dutch braid version, so I'm bringing the right strand under the middle, then the left strand under the middle. Here you see better. Right under the middle, left, right, left, right. Just braid a regular 3-strand braid. For me, bringing it under the middle is easier. And then tuck the outer edges by pulling them outside to make the braid wider. And when you did that, you take a tiny elastic and just tie the braid together. And now I'm massaging the outer edges to make it even a bit more wider. Like this, it is easier for me to do. Now, second one, same procedure, split into 3 equal sections and take under left, right, left, right. Do this until the very end. When I have done perhaps 2 inches, 3 inches, then I'm changing to the front, then I can control better what I'm doing, and it's easier and I don't have to go with my arms overhead. So this is for me the easier way. You just try what is best for you. And then take another tiny elastic and we have braid number 2. Don't make the hair tie too tight. Tuck the outer edges while you hold at the end. Pull gently and then try to make the braid wider, pulling the both sides. First 2 braids done. I just take them into the front and by the side, and then I'm making the 3rd one, and after this the 4th one. So just keep on doing the same thing, and I'm coming back to you when we're going to form the updo. Here they are, my 4 braids. Even like this it looks funny. I'm taking now left down and bringing it over from over the right top braid, and then I do the same with the right hand side, and I'm hiding my hair ties with the braid. Then I'm bringing the ends to the middle, and I also fix the ends in the middle of the hair. That's important for them not to pop out later. And then I'm taking the one from the top and I'm bringing it around the hair tie from the one from the ponytail under, and the sides are clipped into place. The same thing on the right hand side. The ponytail goes by the side and into the middle, and then just turn inside the end of the braid, and like this you give volume to your updo in the middle. And there you go, this is the final result. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you're new on our channel, please subscribe and click the little bell to get notifications when we upload our weekly 1 or 2 videos. Thank you for watching. See you back soon. Bye bye.